Do you think your boyfriend or girlfriend might be talking to someone else behind your back? Use this trick to hack his or her mobile notifications so you can see every notification they receive on your phone. Here is how to hack your partner's phone. Download the same notification app on both your phone and your partner's phone. Open the app on both phones and sign in with your Gmail account. Use your partner's Gmail on their phone if it's already logged in. The app doesn't send notifications to the Gmail account. Once logged in, click on the Get Partner's Notification option on your phone and select Share Your Notification on their phone. You also have the option to access all their phone notifications and can choose which app notifications you want on your phone. In this video, I am choosing only the WhatsApp app, so all the WhatsApp message notifications they receive will also be displayed on my phone. Once you've selected the apps, you'll see two options: scan a QR code or enter a displayed code. Choose either option. I'm entering the displayed code from my partner's phone and then clicking Pair. That's it. Now, I receive every WhatsApp notification they get. This way, you can check if your partner is loyal to you or not.